It is said in the scriptures, of time will pass when the birds will return one more time. The magpie, 1 for sorrow, 2 for luck, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy, 5 for silver, 6 for gold, and 7 for a secret never to be told. The birds are coming back for one more time. Do-do-do. This all keeps happening more than once. The coincidence is not there. I don't know if I'm superstitious, but for the love of God, I don't know what's going on. The birds keep coming back. They're following me. They're following me. They're following you around the square. There's nowhere to escape. They're going to find you wherever you are gonna find. There's 1 for sorrow, 2 for luck, and 3 for a girl, and there's 4 for a boy. 5 for silver, and 6 for gold, and 7's for a bloody secret never to be told. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the number of magpies around. I don't know whether to be scared. I don't know what to do. They keep on following me, making noises behind me. If the scriptures say they'd come back, then why have they chose this time? Why can't they leave me alone? 'Cause I don't want them around. I've always had bad luck, no luck at all with anything. I've always been in the dumps, no money of my own, nor a girl to call my own. But then they say, if the birds come back, that means one thing: you can never be in luck, or there's the worst fate that yet to come. And then again, 2 magpies, 2 for luck. Have I got luck on my side, or is this just some superstition that will never come to pass? They're just squeaking in my ears. I can't take it anymore. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna fall on my knees and beg for this to stop. There's tears running down my face, down past my cheeks, down to my lips. They're dropping onto my top and then disappearing. I don't know what to do. Things will never be the same. The birds are coming back. They're coming back. Please, birds. Please, birds. Please, for the love of God. I don't want any pain. I don't want any upset in me. The sadness after the worry closing in, petrifying people all around the world in need. The birds are coming back. It says down in the scriptures that many years will pass, then one day they'll return back. The birds are coming, the birds are coming, the magpies. I am back. 1 for sorrow, 2 for luck, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy, 5 for silver, 7, 6 for gold, 7 for a secret, never be told. Never be told? Then why do I need this? Why is this all coming to my attention? This has been a commitment every day. They're always flying around me wherever I will go. They're there, they're over there, they're up in that tree, they're flying over me. I can't take it anymore. Oh, I can't take it anymore. What can I do for it now? I'm going insane. Just thinking about the birds, the birds, the magpies, the magpies. Oh, mama, the magpies.